Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to level up your Pillsbury sugar cookies by stuffing them with Oreos. It's revolutionary, it's delicious, and it's so easy. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. For this recipe, you'll need some Pillsbury sugar cookies and some Oreos. Open up your package of cookies. You'll need 2 sugar cookies and 1 Oreo for each stuffed cookie. Use your hands to warm up 2 slices of the dough and flatten them out. Then place the Oreo between the 2 pieces and use your fingers to pinch the edges of the sugar cookies together so that the Oreo is fully closed in. Repeat this until you run out of cookie dough. This will warp the designs of the sugar cookies and they won't really look like ghosts or pumpkins anymore, but it will make them look kinda tie-dyed in Halloween colors. Then you'll bake the cookies according to the package instructions. I did 14 minutes at 350. When they come out of the oven, you can transfer them to a cooling rack to cool completely. And the end result is these delicious stuffed sugar cookies with an Oreo center. These were a big hit at my family get-together this fall, and I hope you and your guests love them too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you'd like to see in the future. See you later!